Beneficial farming practices enhance yields and provide farmers extra income through the Indigo Carbon Program. To start generating and getting paid for registry-issued carbon credits, follow these steps. Step 1. Create your free account. Once you have submitted your login information, you can scroll through our how-to guides and use the chat to connect with a representative. Step 2. Map your fields. Pinpoint your field location by entering an address in the Search Address box or by zooming in on the map. Step 3. Select fields to enroll. After you're done adding fields, click Go to Carbon Enrollment, then Review Eligibility, where you'll be brought to a field eligibility questionnaire. Then, click on the Enroll tab and select Enroll Fields to generate your contract. Signing this contract completes your enrollment into the Indigo Carbon Program. Step 4. Make practice changes. You can generate registry-issued carbon credits by adding or intensifying beneficial farming practices, such as planting cover crops or reducing tillage. Our agronomists can help you identify practices that best fit your farm. In Southeast Illinois, Justin and Joshua are ready to help. Step 5. Submit farm records. Submit your management records from historical and current growing seasons on the Indigo Carbon Platform. Participation in the Indigo Carbon Program is free for farmers. There is no charge for services such as soil sampling, verification, or agronomic support. Visit carbon.indigoag.net to get started.